get all this sorted, hey? OBS, open, YouTube chat, open, YouTube, open, stream is on, okay. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay. So, I'm very close to finishing RavenBOT now. Yeah. Let's get this stream out in the Discord real quick. Share the stream. How do I share a stream? Shit. Let's get Discord open. Disable that. Chuck it over on the side. Like that. My channel open. Copy link. Streaming now. Is that gonna work? Sure, that'll work. That's not gonna work because I did it wrong. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Stream open. Focus assist. Alarms only. Stream open. Chat open. Database open. Let's see. Chat open. Sick. Hey, okay, everything's working. Good to know. So we're creating a partner config. Then with that we go database.store. Actually, can we just go config partner config.document name guild ID. Return config. We can also go ahead and save that. Save partner config. We can just make that a void because we don't need anything returned. And then all we need to do is use this line here. And then go partner config, and then we can use the guild ID in the config. So if we go config.guild-id. Okay, so now that we've done that, the main task, I suppose, is going to be this partner event here, which what needs to be done is we get all of the partner configs and then sort through them to find all the ones that are enabled and then do some magical stuff. Okay, so var configs equals, how's it going, ducklips? Yeah, so get all these configs, we go database dot query partner config, and that should get all of them. And then we can go configs var sorted. I am Australian, hence why it's 1:43 PM and not whatever time it is in the US or the UK. Equals configs dot where x dot enabled dot to list. Here's how's it going in New Zealand then, I suppose? Is that AM or PM? Oh, that'd have to be PM, right? Yeah, because US is 9 hours ahead, but the day before, I think. Yeah. So it's Saturday for you guys in the US, but it's Saturday night, I think. I don't fucking know or care. For each yeah, it's the first. Yeah. In sorted. How should we do this? Guild equals client.get guild config.guild ID. If guild equals null, continue. So we skip that. Passive RTM's free now. Wait, let me just pop up the link for it in. You can get it there, and it's completely free now. Oh, I gotta turn off this VPN. Whoopsies. How's it going, jokers? Disconnect. Okay. Now we can take that and then go. I've got to figure out how to do this. Actually, let's pull up some of the logic from the old PassiveBOT partner stuff. It is a little bit messy, but if we go to PassiveBOT, and then we can go to there, and then services. I believe it's in timer? No, maybe partner. No, that just helps with partner stuff. Timer stuff actually sends it. Yeah, so we run the partner thing. So it gets all the... No, that's the birthday one. Wait. Okay, we've got partner. It gets... Okay, so we do need a random, obviously. Yeah, I'm not actually using... Like, PassiveBOT isn't really... Wait, when was the last time I updated it? Yeah. This year is not helpful. That is February. Okay. I last updated it in February. God, that's so long ago. Even then, like, before... No, wait. If I go to code... February 13th. Last time I updated it. Anyways. Yeah, so what we're doing here is you get the partner list and then you also randomize that list in a separate list. And then for each partner in the first list, you send their message to one in the randomized list. Pretty sure that's how it works. Yeah, okay. So if we go random equals new random, that's imported, that one's not. Do that one. Yeah. Okay, so bar randomized equals sorted dot order by x random dot next dot to list. Yeah, that works. Okay. So now that we've got our randomized list and we've got our sorted list, we can do some magical stuff. I I wonder if I should group the guilds. Yeah. Dot select x client dot get guild x dot guild ID. We can make that a kind of tuple, but not really, because it's different. I can select that, and then also X, so group that together. So now we don't actually need that guild part, because we can go ahead and go where x dot item 1 equals is not null. So what this is doing, this is some fancy link stuff. It's getting all the partner configs, and then let's fix that line up. So it's getting all the partner configs, and then it filters out the ones that aren't enabled. So it's basically saying where the config is enabled, so it gets rid of all the ones that aren't enabled, and then it gets all the servers that contain the server ID of the config, and then it sorts out the ones where there is no server for that, and then it puts it in a list. That's really confusing. Anyways, so now we've got our config and we've got our sorted list, and we can go, let's think for a second. Var guild equals config dot item 1. Var config equals group dot. I don't think it's actually X. I'm fairly sure it's supposed to be item 2. Yeah. I don't know why IntelliSense automatically fills it with X, but I've had that issue in the past. Okay, var embed to send equals config.get embed async. Put the guild in there, and we can. I suppose we don't need to await it yet. So get guild. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So let's think for a second. Var receiver equals randomize dot first or default if receiver equals null. Continue. Why wouldn't it be null? Of course it's not null, because fuck me. Let's just create an intermediate class for this. Public class group config public socket guild. That works. Show me the screen recording of your code off, so okay. You should show me the screen you're reading your code off. I'm not reading code off the screen at the moment. That's what I had previously written, but I want to rewrite it and do it better. So public socket guild guild get set public partner config get and set. Don't forget to set it. Then we can go ahead and go there, select I suppose no, I don't. Let's see. No, I don't need the brackets there. New grouped config And then we can go guild equals client.getGuild x.guild ID config equals what am I doing? Config equals x, and then we can go x.guild is not null. That works. I suppose I don't really need those then. Dot guild. Okay, randomized. First or default. Receiver is it's null. Receiver channel equals. Okay then. Receiver channel equals receiver dot guild dot get channel get text channel receiver, come on, let me REC receiver is EI, right? Let's see if I can spell correctly. RECIVE. It's EI, yeah, so I was right. Receiver dot config dot receiver channel ID. And I believe that is, yeah, that's not async, so don't need to worry about that. So we've got the channel there, and then what do we do with that? If receiver channel equals null, or receiver channel dot permissions, client dot value dot send messages dot fuck, what am I doing? I really don't know. Let's just skip that for now. To do check permissions before sending message. So if the receiver channel is null, what do? We randomize.remove receiver. I think that works, right? Sure. Yeah, why not? Feel like that's fine. And if it, okay, then if, yeah, I probably can do the permissions now, I suppose. Var permissions equals receiver channel dot get permission override. Client dot current user. I don't know how to do this properly. Feel like there should be a permission thing. I'll just skip it. Fuck it. I will come back to it later. How's it going, Sensor? I think that's how I pronounce it. Fair enough. Okay. And then we can go try catch exception E. Okay, what we can do here is then go wait receiver channel dot send message async embed to send. No, we gotta go no message false embed to send dot build. Oh wait. Wait that dot build. And then that should go through everything. Actually, we can just return here. And then we can go ahead and go group dot config dot server count. We can increase that by 1. Group dot config dot user count plus equals, and then we add the member count of the receiver guild. Dot guild dot member count. Yeah, that looks about right. And then we should go database dot store group dot config partner config dot document name group dot config dot guild ID. Okay, that should work, I believe. Let's actually see what I'm doing different here. So that's just null checking, and it's got everything in a try catch, because why not? It gets a random partner channel, yep. Wait, yep, that's fine. And then, so it gets the partner channel, and then it tries to generate a message and build it. So message is null, return, use reach, save that. Yeah, I think it's good enough. We'll see how it goes anyways. So now we actually need the module to do all the settings. So if we go there and then go group partner dot, and then we can go module, it's interactive base. And then we can go sharded command context. And do all that stuff. Yeah, so that's all good there. And then we need the constructor to actually create our partner service there. So if we go public partner iDatabase Discord sharded client. Then we can import them, and then we can go partner service equals new partner service database client. Oops. Okay, import that and generate a read-only property there. Okay, so now that we've got that, we can go ahead and go public async task toggle partner async. We should add a precondition here first. Require context type dot guild. And then command. Gonna find the permissions for Discord, like manage messages. You're using C#, right? Then I can't help you. I only really know C# for Discord anyways. Unless you want to use the HTTP API, but I'd recommend against it unless you're really doing like API stuff, which isn't that fun. Okay, so var config equals partner service dot get or create context dot guild dot id config dot enabled equals not config dot enabled, and then we can go partner service dot save partner config fair enough. Async, and then what we do is use string interpolation with a little $, and then you go partner enabled, and then you've got to go config dot enabled, and then instead of that it'll just show the true or false value in text rather than config dot enabled. One thing I do want to maybe do is suppose return null here if something is wrong, like the message isn't set. I feel like if the message isn't set, I should return null. Actually, let's just go yeah, that works. That's good enough. Oops, wrong one. There we go. Okay, what other settings are there for the partner config? We've got the enabled, use thumbnail, the message. Okay, I'll do the message now. Set message, there we go, public async task, set message, async, we could go remainder, string, message. Okay, so there's a few things that I did with the original when setting the message, which basically filtered out like profanity and all that stuff. So let's have a look at that real quick. We go to modules, guild commands, server setup, partner setup, image URL, info, role message, set channel, message, yeah. So there was a check to see if the message was too long. So if message.length greater than, let's go 512 because yeah, need to reply async. Partner message cannot be longer than 512 characters. Current length equals, and then what we can do there is go message.length, then just return. What else was there? Can't contain any mentions. Yeah, that makes sense. thing, we do need to use context.message here because the way if we're just using a string, it won't actually have those properties in it. So we can go reply async. How's it going, Hunter? Next we have, what do we have? Oh yeah, invites and stuff. Yeah, okay. Gotta import regex, regex, whatever you want to call it. To include an inviting your bot message. We will automatically generate one. Yep, that works. What else? Okay, that's good enough. So if we go config equals partner service dot get a create partner config context dot guild dot id. I'm on PS4. I have a jailbroken PS4, or I suppose you can't really have a jailbroken PS4, but you can jailbreak a PS4, but it's kind of like the untethered sort of thing with iOS, how you have to run a kernel exploit every time you turn on the system for it to work. But yes, I have a jailbroken PS4, or a exploitable PS4 that I use. I just don't use it much. No, you can't go online with a jailbroken PS4. Config.message equals service dot save partner config. Fair enough. Await reply async false, and then how do we do this? Var embed equals await config dot generate embed async context dot guild, and then embed dot build. What else? Need to set the partner channel. Let's just take that and go set channel async. One too many ends. And then we can go config dot receiver channel ID equals context dot channel dot ID. And then we can other service partner messages will be sent in this channel. Yeah, that works. What else? Set image. Set image. Let's go remainder. Doesn't really matter. Image URL equals URL. Image set, and I suppose we can reply with. Actually, let's just go. Let's take those last two lines and then chuck them in there. What else? We've got image URL. Need a way to set the color. The thumbnail? No, not the I don't think. I'm pretty sure 5 points. I'm pretty sure you shouldn't update to 5.70. PS4. Let's have a look, shall we? We can go on a journey together and figure out what the fuck's going on. They're gonna want me to go on VPN because lololo's shit. Wait. Let's go that one. Yeah. Okay. 670. What are you supposed to be looking at? PS4 jailbreak. Latest firmware for jailbreak 5.07. Basically, you can exploit any PS4 I mean, under 5.07. But most jailbreak, well, how do I say that? Most people will be on 5.05 or below, and the current firmware update for PS4 is kinda a mess. People on user mode exploit? What's this? Expected to have releases WebKit exploit. Let's try. It's more like for developers for that one. Okay. Anyways, let's keep going, shall we? Partner. We can do that. I suppose there should be null. So that way, if it's null, you can reset. Config.use thumb equals config.use thumb. Actually, let's go show thumbnail config.use thumb. And use interpolation there. And then what else? We've got a toggle for that. We're able to toggle that. We can set that. We can set that. We can set that. And lastly, got the color. Set color. Set color. Alien. Set color. Async. And then int R, int G, int B. And then we can go color equals new color. New that. Then we can go R, G, B. I suppose I should make sure if all the if r less than equal 0 or r greater than 255, greater than 254 actually. And then I suppose I can use that and then repeat that and just replace the G, G, B, and B. Then we can go await, reply async. Is must each between be in the range. Okay, I suppose. What do we need now? Require user permission, admin. Give permission dot admin. Oops. Okay, so I think that is all. Actually, I'm going to have a dev thing. If we go public async task trigger event, then we can just go ahead and go command trigger, and then we can add require owner. Now we can go partner service dot partner event. Let's go task dot run. Can I just do that? Nope. Okay, let's test this one. Actually, I've also got to filter out x dot. Why did it do that? Anyways, x dot config.guild ID is not equal to group.config.guild ID. Let's do that one. Of course there's already a debug one. Let's just DS code. Okay. Let's get that running. All good, all happy. Actually, stop being slow. Let's go dev dot partner. Actually, let's stop that one. Let's add a help module in there. If we just copy that one and then go paste it in there, then we can go ticket. No, what am I doing? It's partner. Capital P, lowercase p, capital P. Okay. You can just go in there. Okay. Go here, dev.partner.help. And then it should do its thing. Yeah, okay. So then we can go dev.partner.toggle, dev.partner.setChannel, dev.partner let's go set message. Hey there. If I can spell correctly, dev.partner.setMessage. Hey there. That should work. No? Okay. Invite code is either invalid or taken. Well, what's that supposed to mean? Let's go to partner config. And let's have a look. Okay. I would assume it is in here. Current invites where max uses is null, max age is null, revoked is false, and temporary is false. And let's try catch this. Catch exception E. Console.writeLine E. And we can just return null there. Sure. And then charcoal this up the top. Indent it so it's all pretty. And then we can figure out what's going on here. So I've got a feeling it set the message, but it didn't. It wasn't happy with the way some stuff was done. Go partner configs. Hey there. Yeah, that all looks fine. Hit enter. Okay. What line are we getting that error on? Line 70. Okay. So this is the issue here. So if we just go by invite data equals null, then you can do that. F5 and go again. Suppose I could null check the invite again just there, but okay. So if we go ahead and we go dev.partner, set message, hey there. Why does it not have one? Let's put in a breakpoint there, I suppose. We should hit that, and then we can look at current invites. So there's plenty of invites. It's just not happy with them. So max age and max uses should be 0. This is C#. It's quite similar to Java. Okay. Let's see how we go. Let's check that one. Yeah, that's all good. Hey there. And then it should be happy. Yay. Hey, we leveled up as well. Nice. Okay, now the way I can test that this is working, I do have a clone of this server, but if we go dev.partner.enable, dev.partner.setChannel, dev.partner.setMessage, hey there. Actually, dev.partner setMessage. And then instead of hey there, because that's what the original one is, this is the copied server. And you can see how that message shows up there. So if we go ahead and create an invite to that server, let's just go ahead, instant invite, make sure it expire after never. No limit. Generate new link. Copy that one. So that's the invite to this server. So if we go again, it should actually show that up in the invite field there. Perfect. So now we can go dev.partner.trigger. And then we should get that other server in here. I hope. That's what I'm hoping for. It's not gonna work, is it? Oh. No, okay. Well, that's a problem. Why is that not working? Let's go to here, and then, where is it? Partner service. Maybe there's just none in it. That could be it. Oops, I didn't mean that. What? What? Why did it take so long to run the partner event? That was weird. Well, it worked, but it worked. No, it didn't work. Maybe. I don't know anymore. No, it didn't work. This is the original server. No, it did work. I don't even know. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint here, and then we can go dev.partner.trigger. And then it should hit that breakpoint. Let's have a look at what we're getting in debug here. Sorted. Why is there only one in sorted? Configs has 2. Sorted has 1. Why does it only have 1? I don't know. Client.getGuild x.guild ID where the guild is not null. Okay then. RavenBOT is in that server, yeah. Well, obviously it is. It was replying to the commands. I'm not sure. Let's go back to the partner. Where is it? Partner service. I'm already in it. I'm an idiot. Let's not return that, and let's just go await. Async. And then we can just set the run mode to async. Run mode equals run mode dot async. And then instead of doing all that, we can run that, and then it should rebuild and rerun. Yep. Okay, we got all that stuff going back here. Yeah, okay. Dev.partner.toggle. Actually, let's just check in the partner service real quick. Don't have that breakpoint there, okay. Let's go there, yep. Trigger. Dev.partner.trigger. Okay. How's it going? And on reboot. I'm so confused. So it's treating that maybe it's cause wait, was it ready? Did it say it was ready yet? No, it didn't. Shard 0 ready, shard 0 connected, ready connected. I don't know. If you think you got in a game with me on PS3 within like probably the last year, it was probably not me, because I haven't played PS3 in a long while. Yeah. And my account isn't passive modding on PS3. Yeah, I got all the PayPal stuff fixed. I'm still down about $200 or so, but the majority of my PayPal money I was able to withdraw before they closed the business account, which had more than that in it. But yeah, so I've got a new PayPal account, my store's all hooked up to that, and I should be good now. But yeah, it's like 2 years ago. Even then, like, a lot of people are just impersonators on PS3, because I haven't played it in a long time. Maybe we'll do some PS3 later. We'll see how we go. Yeah, so we've got our receiver channel, that's all good. Database.store equals that. What am I doing? I don't even remember my PS3 name. I'll have to check later. Oh, I do not need those at the moment. Let's go to partner service. Guilds equals client.guilds. Let's just put a breakpoint there. and restart. And then we can have a look at the guilds. This is a code for a Discord bot, and it's doing some cool stuff. What a great explanation. Okay, client.guilds. Yeah, there's 0, and then once it connects and is ready, so if we run the trigger command now, we should see hit that breakpoint. Guilds, there are 2. There are 2 guilds, right? So where's my damn guilds? Yeah. So I've got the Passive Nation and Passive Nation copy. So why do we not have sorted? Is it not enabled in the second one? Wait. Dev.partner. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay. I was doing things that I didn't need to do because I'm dumb. So I didn't enable partner stuff in this. So if we hit F5 and then we go dev.partner.toggle. Do you mean what am I writing in, as in the language or the program? Because the language is C# and the program is C# and the program is Visual Studio Code. Okay. Hey, dev.partner.trig. And then we should get a message in here. Okay, we shouldn't get 2. That's a problem. Let's try that one again. Yeah, definitely shouldn't be getting 2. I'm guessing there's 4 in there. I've never had a PSN that's iFuckTazzies. Wait, okay. Let me just turn on my PS3 real quick, and I'll actually check what my PSN is. My controller's flat. Never mind. It's not that though. I remember that. Okay. Sending the message. Oh. Wait, we can go randomize.remove there, and then we can also go randomize.remove. I think I can just do that. Yeah, that makes sense. So now, we go dev.partner.trigger. It should just do the thing. Yeah, do the thing. It shouldn't do that thing. Why is it sending twice? What the heck? For each group in sorted, yeah. So there's 2 groups. Gets the first one that isn't the current one. I'm so lost. Let's think for a second. Okay, wait. Let's go to here. And type the command. dev.partner.trigger. So get that one. We've got 2 configs. 2 sorted. Continue. Continue. Why are we getting it again though? I don't get why it's going another 2 times. I'm so confused. You're lost, but I am also lost. Let's check the partner configs. Okay, so that's doing a thing. Let's think for a second. Partner config. It's a copied server. So why would that be going twice? I don't actually need to do that. Let's just think. Well, I know I did mess up. I just don't know where. Okay. So for the first one, it gets the embed. It gets a random receiver. If there is no receiver, it returns. If there is one, it removes it from the randomized list and then tries to get a channel related to it. If the channel is... it just continues. Yeah, that's fine. Get a partner. Do that. Do the thing. Yeah, so it's at once. It only hit... Okay, so it's not there that we're running twice. That's good to know. I wonder if it's running the loop twice? Yeah. Go there. Go. Continue, continue. It's not running the loop twice. Or maybe it is, wait. It is running the loop twice. Why the Sorted is a list, so it's not doing multiple enumerations. Is it being modified at all? Actually, group. Is it? try that one. Actually, I'm going to chuck this into the testing channel so it doesn't spam everyone. Dev.partner.setChannel. Dev.partner.trigger. Oh, why did that one work? What the how's it going, Jason Nation? Oh, so now, when I manually trigger it, does oh, it's not. Wait. I need to think. I did set the channel right. Dev.partner.setChannel. Why on earth is that being triggered? Think for a second. Let's restart. How did I learn this stuff? Trial and error for like 2 years. Okay, so I expect that to happen. That's completely normal. Why on earth is it still sending there? Dev.partner.setChannel. Dev.partner. Am I not saving it? I swear to God if I'm not saving it. I'm an idiot. No, I am saving it. What? Go to definition. It is saving it. So what? Set channel. Why is it running that? What the heck? What the? Partner event. Okay, I am so confused. Partner event. Find all references. That method is only being referenced by the timer event, which is supposed to go every hour. And what is going on? Actually, let's just go. Oh wait. Oh, cause that's not gonna work. No, let's just keep it like that. That's fine. Save partner config. Why is this running when I do stuff? Okay, what is going on? So, it tries to get the config. If it doesn't, it stores it there. Yeah, that's fine. It updates that, and then it saves it again. And then so confused. Let's try... Actually, let's actually have a look at the partner configs. Is it actually updating? Receiver channel ID. This is the original server. Okay, let's have a look at that and then hit F5 and run the set channel command. dev.partner.set. No, I don't want to set that one. dev.partner.set channel. $45200. Remember that. Set channel. $45200. Dev.partner.trigger. Why does it send twice? I'm so lost. Partner service. In sorted. Sorted is that. Sorted is a single collection. Randomized. Randomized is that. It is not a single collection. What if I go in randomized and then go sorted? Yeah, Bill fancy. And do it again. Still be confused. Trigger. Why does it send twice? I have no freaking clue. Okay, if we go there, if that gets hit twice, then we know it's something to do with how it's being triggered. Oh wait, okay, let's... You set a breakpoint there. What will that actually break on though? There's nothing for it to break on. I'm not sure. Dev.partner.trigger. Just... Okay. Stop. Bar x equals 1. Bar y equals 1. Okay. Dev.partner.trigger. And then we wait. Async task. Partner event. So if it hits this breakpoint twice, that's when we know there's a problem with the event being triggered and not the for each loop. Continue. Continue. What is going on then? Wait, we can go... console.writeLine partner event F5 terminal. Yeah, I leveled up, yay me. Now, show me why everything is broken. Terminal. dev.partner.trigger. Why does it run twice? What the fuck? Actually, wait. Let's go. Partner event there. If we go console.write line trigger. Imports F5, do all that stuff, yada yada yada. Okay, so for some reason the partner event is getting hit twice for no reason other than the fact that it wants to get hit twice. So it runs once when I want it to run once. Trigger. Partner event, partner trigger. I am dumbfounded. So apparently this fucking thing, for whatever reason, triggers it. Dev.partner.set channel. Why does that trigger a partner event? What is going on? Oh. Okay, let's stitch this Visual Studio. Actually, let's just open up the... Let's go to RavenBOT. And then cry over this. Wait. No. So if we go to RavenBOT, close that folder, wait for it to decide to run, and then close that folder, close that folder, close that folder. Come on. Tags, close that folder, tickets, close that folder. Okay, partner, modules, partner. Let's just have a look at this, make sure it's all happy chappy, nothing's being special. Dev.partner.set channel. Leave that for just a moment. It's connected. Okay. Partner event. Why? Okay, let's rename this for whatever reason. Manager. Partner modules. Yep, that looks relatively fine. Partner event. Methods, partner service. Final references. Am I being referenced the once? Timer. If I just do that. Can I do that? I am also bored, but also confused out of my mind. Dev.partner.set channel. Okay. So it has something to do with the timer event. For some reason the timer event is being touched. Let's have a look at how we're doing it with reminders. I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same. Timer equals new timer, timer event null, time span from minute 0, time span from seconds. Yeah, good idea. Modules, reminders, reminder handler equals that. Partner service. So it's got something to do with this. From seconds 0. Let's see if, for whatever reason, that decides to fix it. I bet it will. It'll just be some stupid random thing like that. Nope. Okay, so for whatever reason, every time any single method does stuff, it decides to call this. Okay, let's go to here and go console.writeLine timer event. Okay, so that's normal, that's how it should be. But then, if I set the channel, for whatever reason, it is calling the timer event. And I have no idea why. Can I just do that? Console.writeLine timer. Dev.partner.set channel. And hit enter. Timer partner event. I'm so... Okay, so for whatever reason, this timer is being a nuisance. And in order to fix that, I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do to fix that. New timer, timer event, null, time span from minutes. If we go to reminders, reminder handler. Well, what happens if I run a reminder command? Okay, so if we go ahead and go here, what are some of the reminder commands? Reminder.remind, dev.reminder.remind. Actually, let's change that breakpoint to be here. Let's wait for it to go. It should really go from minutes 1. My bots are up for like weeks at a time usually. Okay, dev dot reminder dot remind. Okay, if I do that, that's so weird. Okay, let's C#. Okay, provides a mechanism for executing on a method on a thread pull thread. C# timer exit. Wait, what is it? Timer callback. Timer callback void. Okay. New timer callback, timer proc. Let's go ahead and go, let's go back to partner and then go new timer callback. So an object containing an application-specific information relevant to the method invoked by this delegate or null. Okay. So that's normal. That's when it's supposed to go. And then if I go ahead and run this command, why the fuck does it trigger? Okay, the only reference is there. Timer callback triggering. No, wait, I should be using the partner one here. We go to partner service. Here we go. dev.partner.setChannel. Nope, still does it. I'm lost. Got no clue what's going on. C# timer callback. Running method is called. Event signals second time display the timer. This method does not execute in the thread created by the timer. Let's have a look at this guy's code. Where the fuck's his timer? Report timer. Nope, don't want that. Timer callback delegate. It's been a bit since PS3 modding. Yeah, I know. You think it's me passing it a JSON file that's on a web server using JS? Yeah, you'd have to like download the file, edit it on your client side, and then re-upload the edited file, I suppose. Peace out, CM2 leader. State timer. Status checker. Check status. So, when auto event signals change the. So what's the first? Create auto reset. So wait. Check status. Auto event. Auto reset event. I'm trying to find a way. C# timer. C# scheduled task. No, C#. Yeah, schedule a task. Tick. System threading. Was it system threading timer? I'm pretty sure. Yeah. System.threading.timer. Example. JavaScript. Without needing. Well, it depends. Like, if you've got a database, like for example something such as RavenDB, you can use stuff that kinda does stuff, but the easiest way for you to do it would just be download and re-upload. How's it going, Dubs? Haven't seen you in a while. Let's have a look at this. Let's do some learning. Constructing the timer. Periodic interval. Timer callback. Timer callback is a method. Regular interval of time. State is the object useful for providing additional information required for the timeout operation. A state is not mandatory and hence can be set to null when constructing the timer object. Timer example. Take. Change. Infinite. Let's think. First thing to remember is that a thread is nothing but a parallel. Okay, second. I'm actually really lost right now. This doesn't really make sense. Let's go to the C# Discord and ask there. Okay. Beginning questions. Okay, actually, I gotta think how this is working. Most expensive thing on my store would probably be 2 CIDs. I'm not really sure. Haven't been on my store in a little while. So if we go... But if we go to here and go haste bin, and then we go to here. Then we go back to haste bin, paste that in there. Toggle. If we go to partner, then go 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I only really need that one. Okay, so you can hit continue on that, continue on that. Actually, don't really need that first one. Okay. So, if you go dev.partner.setChannel, I'm pretty sure there's sites that you can like, actually I'm not sure if GTA works with SVGs anymore. I remember it did ages ago, but then it stopped. Dev.partner.setChannel. Enter there. So it hits that, and then it hits that. Wait, just give me a sec. For some reason, timer event is being triggered whenever such a sync is called. Okay. You are a weeb. Get a life. Oh, I'm so confused. C#. No, I don't sell modded accounts. Why would you spend $40 on something like that? Especially US dollars. My god. Okay, now we wait for someone to reply here because I am at a loss right now. Hey man, no need to get political. Like, man, that guy's retarded, but you know, you don't need to say that. Oh god, I am hungry. I haven't eaten in like a few hours. Okay. Let's quickly get some food out because I'm hungry. Peaceful. How's it going, Night Free X 100? I would not buy a shirt that looks like that. No way. I'm not a weeb. About to head? No way. Let's have a look at the Discord API chat. How to check who deleted a post? Whose post it was? Oh god. Just need someone to answer my question for me because I'm probably retarded. No, I'm not retarded. I don't think I'm in the wrong here. I'm just super confused. Yeah. If we go to event handler, and then where is our command handler? What am I doing? No, it is event handler. Yeah. Register modules, and then get entry assembly. Let's try that one. Okay. So it executes normally. That's okay. Then you can go dev.partner.setChannel. Why the okay, wait. Dev.partner.setChannel. Why is it calling the constructor? What? What is going on? Is this just me with poor design choices? Wait, wait a second. Does it call this every time? So every time I run a command, Is it actually like... Oops, we don't want that open anymore. Is it calling? Oh my god, okay. Wait. Okay, I've just figured something out and I am at a loss now. Wait. Wait, how am I doing what? Oh, that. That's um that's a better Discord plugin. Server folders. Okay, let's actually have a look real quick. Discord.net. No. .net. And then we can search up execute async. No, I didn't learn C# from school or anything. It's just... I don't know, how would I say it? I'm not really sure how to say it. Anyways. So... Execute async. Check preconditions. I'm so confused. Yeah, I've got a jailbroken PS4. You should see some of my PS4 videos. Okay. I think what I need to do is... var manager equals... dot get Yeah. If manager equals null, dot
We stand together, united as one. Forward on we go, facing friend and foe. We will know what it is. We have not time for that. If we make mistakes, we are lost.
Okay, let's have a look. We go to partner event. There we go. Command handler. No wait. Dev.partner.setChannel. Okay. So hit the command execute, then we hit the partner event, then we hit that. Oh my god, why is this such a mess? Trying for 2 hours to figure out how to get C# to automatically calculate the difference. I like rarely play games anymore, to be honest. Okay, so so um so it's constructing that every time. It's also constructing that every time. Wait, if we go to something like helper, if I go dev.partner.help, what do we get? Dev.partner.help. Wow, it really does. Oh, that's so annoying. That is really annoying. That means like the way I've designed all of my modules ever is bad. Hmm. Okay, let's think then. Add service to. Hmm. Um. Okay. So the way this is currently working is bad. The reason it's bad is because basically every time a command is run, it's just I don't even know how to explain it. Hmm. I suppose the best way to do this would be to go to program.cs. Where are you? Models, modules, services, program. So I think what I need to do is figure out all the services that I need here and add them. How the fuck do I do that? I don't know. How does Discord do it? Discord.net. And then we can go add modules. Let's have a look. Hello. Okay, where is it? Dependency map? No. Next page. Okay, so, we need this one. Add modules async. Okay, so it gets all. Okay, I think how this works is var this is equals how will this work? Assembly get. So yeah, assembly dot get entry assembly dot need to get all the loaded classes, or all the classes in this program. So the way Discord.net does it is module defs, module internal. So I need module class builder. Copy, duplicate. Let's go here. Search async is command. So it's get custom. No, what I need is the inherited type. So define types. Public result.add. So that gets the type info. Who are you getting messages from? That is, yeah, okay. So I get the type info, and then this message, mark the class with do not load attribute. So result.add type info. And then from there, it takes build async and then a group of, or a list of types. Type info. Services. Where's module defined? Module equals new module builder, that. Service is a command service. Okay. Basically what I want to do is get all classes that inherit a specific interface or inherit a specific class. So dot, let's have a look. Get all classes in assembly C# that, yeah, let's Google it. Getting all classes E. Let's do this. Google always helps. Can never fault it. Come on, load. I need energy. Energy drink, yes. Energy drink is good. Okay. Here's your code sample. Get assembly, select menu, blah blah blah. That is... Come on, where's Stack Overflow? Stack Overflow. Site. StackOverflow.com. Go types. Interface. Typer. Okay. Okay, now we're talking. Let's just go ahead and go to services, iServiceable, public interface. This is just for identification of classes that wish to be injected into the service provider. And then we can go ahead and go program.cs and then var types. And you can do some link and then type of iServiceable. Go for it. I'm pretty sure I copied it from okay, GitHub. Wait. Site github.com. Yucked. This guy. I'm pretty sure I copied mine from this one. Let's see. Who, me? Discord.bot. No. Pretty sure it's called Valerie or something. Discord.bot. Victoria? No. Who, me? Suckerbars. Oh, can't find it. This guy created the original one that I used. Okay, so var collection equals new service collection. Then we can go for each var type in types collection.add singleton type. Can I do that? Am I actually able to do that? Wow. Collection equals collection.add singleton. iService collection. Service collection. Okay, so we can go iService collection. Does that work? Type. Type is a variable but used for like a type. Ah, well, find me. New type. Ah, how do I do this? Use type as type. So type is generic parameter. You can't directly. Add singleton. Actually, let's if we jump back here. Go. Okay. If we check that, and then okay. So what I need to do is do some stuff. Generic type 1 invoke. Why is everything such a... Actually, you know what? I'm going to go back to Visual Studio just because the IntelliSense is a little bit more usable there. And I really need the IntelliSense right now because I am very lost. Oh my god. Okay, so I go here and then we go to program.cs when this decides to think. Okay. Can I just do that? That works? What? Okay, now my question is, if we go ahead and go iServiceable, our database Discord chat. So that should work, and then in here I can just go equals prov.get required service partner service. I will actually be amazed if this works. I really don't expect it to. Yeah, that's what I figured would happen. Cannot instantiate in implementation type for service type. So, dot get type. I see how that works. Okay, that's the new problem. If we go here, so what the fat? You know what? Sure. All I need is to see what's in collection at the moment. Okay, so collection results is that. Okay. Service type, implementation type. I can't do this. Fuck me in the head. Actually, let's go back to Discord. Okay. Store singleton data in transient. Okay, type.get type. So that's just a regular type. Actually, let's go there and then we can look at types real quick. Types. So we're... Yeah, so... Okay. Check if something is an interface or not. Check if something is interface or class C#. Test if wait. P dot is interface. That should work, I think. Let's try this one. Come on. Happy me. Happy me, I'm making progress. I think. I don't know. I'm probably not. Wait for the error. No way! No way! And it shouldn't trigger partner event. Yes! Yes! Oh my god, I actually did it. No, I'm not going. I'm gonna miss it. Okay, so now all I need to do is for each of these modules here. Actually, I'll fix up. I'll commit the partner service first. Wait. If we go to event handler, I want to change that back to get calling assembly. Get calling assembly. What else? Serviceable program. That's all fine. Reminder handler. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We'll skip the reminder handler and have that in another commit. And then added partner service. Also implemented iServiceable, which will a singleton class. I think that should work. Change reminder handler. Now, what I need to do is fix virtually all of the modules. Okay, so translate methods, translate service. So if we go into each of these modules, basically instead of creating a new one of whatever this is here, what I do is I make translate service, implement, I make translate service, implement iServiceable. And then And then what I can do is, instead of having all this junk here, I can go iService provider, and then we can go equals provider dot get required service translate service. And I'm pretty sure the only stuff that references this is in translate service, I think. Yeah, probably. Well, that just fixes like 85% of the major issues that I've had with this entire thing. Let's find the references for this. Final references. Response equals that. And that is in translate service. And that is in there. But that's all fine. Okay, tickets, modules, helper, that's fine. I should move these two events into the ticket service. I'm gonna do that real quick. So if we go methods, ticket service, and then we can go Discord sharded client. Visual Studio is so slow. Create and initialize, and that's all happy. And then we can get rid of those unnecessary qualifiers. And then we can go back here, grab those. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need those. Go back here, go there. Fix that, and then go back here and go iService provider. Then we can go provider dot get required service ticket service. What do you do other than code and school? I watch YouTube a lot. Hard code them being added to the service provider. Hey. Of course I go out with friends. I'm not that fucking lonely. Okay, maybe I am. No, I'm not. Fuck you. Let's see. That should be fine. Tags, modules, tags. Tag manager, can't do that. Gotta go iService provider. provider. There you go. Provider dot get required service. Tag manager. And then we go back to tag manager and we make tag manager implement iServiceable. Yeah, I can go back there and look at the Git stuff anyways. Tag ticket service. Oh, I didn't make ticket service implement iServiceable. Implement iServiceable. Is that what I said? Yeah. Tag manager, yeah, that's all fine. iServiceable, yep, translation, translate service, iServiceable, yep, that's all good. Statistics, that's okay. Good service, I think that's okay. Good manager. Well, whatever I'm creating in the constructor of this, I need to. So if I go to graph manager, I need serviceable. Well, I basically did that yesterday, except I did get convinced to come. But yeah. And then we go iService provider. And then we can go provider.get get required service. Graph manager. I just copy that one. And then go Grafana. Elijah, when did you try that? Because if it was within like the last few hours, I still haven't finished migrating the cloner licenses over from the previous database, so you may have to wait just a tiny bit for them to be ready. Pro. Oh, I didn't change that. If it was 2 weeks back, I'm sorry, but I'm not 100% sure. How's it going, Faults? Haven't seen you in a while. What do you mean? Ah, fuck it, doesn't matter. Partner service, did that one. Moderator. Moderator handler. iServiceable. Moderation. Then we go iService provider. And we paste that in, and then we go moderation handler. And we call that provider. And then we import that. And then it's happy, yay. I'm not... Yeah, the amount of people that have asked me to make Fortnite cheats. Oh my god, it does my head in. I don't even play Fortnite. Media. Oh, that's bad. iService provide. Media helper, that. Random. Do we add a random here somewhere? I thought I did, but maybe not. Add singleton, random. I believe I can just chuck that as a regular one. A database. Okay, not safe for work. Gotta go. Random. Media helper. Media helper and not safe for work helper. Is that like custom skins for Black Ops 2? Is that on PS4? PS3 I mean. Service provider. Put that. iServiceable. And then take that one, go level service. You'll have to show me that sometime, because that's fucking sick. Guild configuration. That stuff I don't need to worry about. Module management service. I suppose... what am I doing? Why am I using... I'm so dumb. I can just translate service. Translate service, translate service, and then translate service equals translate service. Because it'll automatically inject it. What am I doing? My god. Okay, ticket. And then we go ticket service, ticket service, ticket service. Oh my god. What was your question? It's actually really cool. Is that like similar to how people did the modded backgrounds and shit? Because I remember having that sort of stuff in Project Passive. Tag manager equals tag manager. Statistics, graph manager, graph manager, Grafana manager. How's it going? I don't know how to pronounce that, but sick. How's it going, person? You go to partner. Go to partner. Partner. Then we got moderator, moderation handler. Let me make that. It's gonna take forever. Look, I'm like halfway through, and this is what worked for like 3 hours now. Just stop beating my head against a brick wall. Random. Random. Media helper. Let's say for work helper. Want to check server. I'm guessing English isn't your primary language, but I have no idea what you just said. Yeah, sorry. Random media helper. There we go. You go to levels. Level. Level service, iServiceable. Guild configuration. That's all fine. Greetings. Oh, we got a new one, yay. So if we just go greetings service, and then make that equal to that. There you go, methods, and then just make this implement iServiceable. Yeah, but like the wording doesn't make sense. I want to check server general member. Like, what's that mean? I don't know. um, yeah. Connect for. Oh wait, these are all part of game. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So if we go game service. Yeah, but his name isn't. Like English doesn't have accented characters. Game service. Random client. Helper. Minesweeper. Oh. Minesweeper. So I've got to add a HTTP client to my service provider. If we just go random client, I think that should be fine. Oh wait, game service, iServiceable, event service, event service, go event. Then we go to event service. Oh, I don't need any of those. Oh, fuck it, I'll keep those for now. So that's fine. That's fine. Oh, I need that one. Then we can go to, where's developer settings at? We go to capture. Capture. Go here, go. Birthday service. Birthday service, that equals that. And that must be why my caching hasn't been working as of late either. Let's have a look at that one. Then we go into here, go. remuneration, need that one. Service. That's all fine. Oh, remuneration. Then we go iServiceable. You go to auto message. Then you go auto message. Then you go there. Then you go there. Auto message handler. That. Go that one over. Save that. Go to methods. That one. iServiceable. Okay, let's have a look, shall we? Here because you're a donkey. I am not a donkey. I feel offended. Take your money back, peasant. Can I instantiate implementation type? My database for service type. What the fuck does that mean? Implementation type for service type. Is there a difference between those two lines? Do you guys see any difference between those? Services add scoped. Type of iGeneric service. Type of iGeneric. Is there a difference between those two lines? Oh, the I there. Okay, wait. If we go to program. I'm gonna get a error for HTTP client, I'm pretty sure. But if I get there, I'll... No? No error? Okay, well that's even worse than not getting it. Yeah, HTTP client. Okay. Then what we can do there is just add one to our service provider. Dot add singleton HTTP client. And then we'll see how this goes. Come on, do the thing that I want it to do, and that's run for more than like a minute. Partner event. Hey, I did it. I'm pretty sure that looks good. That looks happy. Okay, well, I'm going to call that a success because it compiled and ran. Now let's look at all the stuff I just changed. Program. We added those two, removed the unnecessary braces around that. That's now iServiceable. Those events are moved into the ticket service. That's being injected. That is iServiceable. Those are being injected. That's iServiceable. That's iServiceable. That's injected. That's iServiceable. That's injected. That's injected. Did I change? Yeah, I did. Okay, that's injected. That's iServiceable. Those 3 are injected. Those 2 are injected. Those are both iServiceable. That's injected. That's iServiceable. That's injected. That's iServiceable. Those 2 are injected. That's injected. That's injected. Those 3 are injected. That's iServiceable. That's injected. That's iServiceable. That's injected. Injected. iServiceable. Injected. iServiceable. Injected. iServiceable. Injected. iServiceable. iServiceable. My life for the fix issue with services not being fixed issue where services were transient instead of singleton. Self-contained modules must implement the iServiceable interface. Yeah, I've had the other week I had like many donations. Like there were pretty sure someone donated like $9. Ooh, get it. I could buy pizza with that money. Interface. Self-contained must implement the iServiceable interface. Self-contained services for modules order to be singled. Nah, I lost my super chat virginity about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I think. Wait, let's go. YouTube gives you like $2 to donate when you sign up for what's it called? For YouTube, whatever. Camo spoofing. That's pretty nice. There, 3 weeks ago, or 2 or 3 weeks ago. Oh, I'm so happy that everything's actually like fitting back together. Dependency injection, you can either add an instance of a class as a singleton or the type of it. The latter will be service is first requested from 50 more for my brother. Oh, I should actually check how much money I've got in my PayPal now, because I need to pay for Spotify. How much do I have in my PayPal? 20 Australian dollars. Wow. I'm fucking balling. Spotify. Oh, I don't know my Spotify login. Oh, that's not good. Oh, hey, it automatically logged in. Yay. I'm off in another browser because I don't want you guys seeing a photo of me. Manage plan. PayPal update. Oh wait, can I change my plan? Ooh, now I'm interested. Confirm you're a student. Student verification by sheer ID. How do I... Where's my wallet? Just don't look at that, guys. Nothing to see there. Let's see. Proceed. I'm getting cheap Spotify. That one. Jake. Yeah, confirm. Manage plan. Change. Update payment method. PayPal. PayPal. Change payment details. I'm just doing stuff off screen at the moment because you guys aren't allowed to see my PayPal account and shit. That would be bad. Wait. Spotify. Update my payment method. What should I do with my PayPal money? All 20 Australian dollars of it. That's big. That's big money right there. You know, I could buy a pizza or something. Okay, well, Bitfires, load, that one, that one, that one. RavenBOT, build up Ubuntu, bin, release, Core app, Ubuntu, that one. Yep, that's all done. Let's drag them all in. Override all that stuff. I need my money. I need my PayPal money so I can afford my hosting bills. I wish they paid themselves. No, it's RavenBOT partner. No, level. No? Not gonna respond? Well, that's rude. Now we'll give it a minute. It's probably... Well, no, it shouldn't be super slow. I think it's just more of a design flaw. But I did fix the quote-unquote flaws. So it should be fine. Still got a minute. Oh, it just went off. Yeah, okay. Well, why was it on before? What? I don't know why. Yeah, I'm confused. Just, you know what? Nobody ask questions and we'll all be fine. Big broken. Yep. Okay. Restart that one. Should say Raven pop up here, and then everything will be happy and perfect and fine, and no one will complain, and we can all go to sleep and be happy. And I don't know why I'm still talking. Yay. Raven.info.full help. Hey, there we go. That's pretty good to me. It looks happy. We don't have any changes. That's good. Now we can go back to VS Code and not use the very over-the-top IDE that has more than too much. If we go to the info module, wherever that is, modules, info. How do we do that? Oh, ha! I found another problem. Developer settings. Go if client dot shards dot all x dot where's the one that's a property? That's an event. X dot activity connection state dot no X dot, where's the enum? No, that's not guilds. Login state. I don't think that should be it. Shard ID status. I think I had something in ELO that handled that. ELO handlers, event handler. Bot handler. Shard ready, yeah. It's either in the shard ready or the shard connected stuff. Shard ready. That's not what I thought it was, so now I'm confused. Preach guild. Yeah, we can just. What am I doing? Okay. How do we go? Prefix service dot get prefix 0. Wait, let's use some interpolation real quick. Interpolation? I don't know. Prefix dot get prefix 0 dot wait, what? It's just a string. Why is it all red? Is that activity? Activity? What? What am I doing here? Oh, new game. New game. And then we can go that dot info dot help. Oh. Yeah, pretty much. Now let's watch the game of this change to what I want it to do. Do it. Come on. Oh, it'll just show info.help, I bet. Or we'll get an error. What? No. Come on. No? Yes? No? No, yes, no. I don't know what I'm doing. Come on, set the game. Why is it still at connecting? Oh, it did hit a breakpoint. Are we on a breakpoint or on an error? Oh, we are. Oh, fuck me. Continue. Don't need that. Hey, there we go. But I need to... Okay. How we do this? No, okay, I know what I'm going to do. I am going to go to handlers, event handler. So where's the command handler? That's the one. Yay. Use prefix system. Yeah. Let's think for a second. No, I want the bot prefix at the start, so basically I can get rid of all this. And one of them. And then pull all this back one. Get rid of all that stuff. If message.content.starts with botconfig dot what? Is there not a prefix in the bot config? Where is it? Models, bot config. Yeah, there is. Why is it private? What the? Oh my god. Okay, private. Yep. Get prefix. What, does it not have a setter? Did I not have a setter for the prefix? I'm an idiot. That was dumb. Make it public. Why can I not make it public? How's it going, 420 bunny? Wait, I should probably then we can go back to here. But oops. Botconfig.prefix. True. Culture info.invariant. Message content equals that. Else. Now, because I've basically just duplicated that code and it looks dumb, I should fix this. Message prefix equals developer. So if it is local developer, it should be local.developer prefix. Otherwise, it should be botconfig.prefix. If what am I working on? Work. How do I explain it? I don't know how to explain it. Let me just think for a second. I'm basically working on a Discord bot that does stuff. And I'm almost done. Oh wait. Prefix dot length. Yeah, no, that's fine. Okay. No, why would it do that? I don't know. Understand what you're doing. Is anything fair enough? Okay, so got our module prefix, all that. Get our message content. Strip away the prefix. Well then, bot config doesn't actually need the use prefix system. Info, no, program. I'm not making mods. I'm making a Discord bot. You last, son. You last. I think help service might also have some stuff that this references. Maybe? Yeah. Prefix system. Event handler. Yeah. Just everyone thinks I'm still a modder, but I can't change my name to Passive because Passive is too generic, and I'm passive modding. People know me as passive modding. It's like, what do I do? Just put up with it. Dev.info. Okay, shoot, what do I do now? Prefix service, where's that? Prefix service. String default prefix. Where's a reference to that? Oh, okay, what I need to do is the thing. What is the thing? I don't know. Get prefix. Where's get prefix? Default prefix, prefix. A bot? You mean a mod menu? What I'm doing is very different. Like, programming is a very, very broad umbrella of things. What do you mean No, you're thinking aimbot. Aimbot is not bot. Aimbot aims. This responds to messages. It's very different. Auto message. This is C# by the way. It's not JavaScript. If that's what you were implying. Okay, why is it setting that? I think info prefix service dot get prefix that prefix service is initialized in program. Alright, I haven't, yeah, okay, that makes sense. And then I open my database out on the other screen. Then we go to bot configs, bot config. Okay, now I'm even more lost because it has a prefix set. Wait, is it serializing the prefix? Yeah, that's a problem. Save that. If I go back to prefix service, where's default prefix? Yeah, that. Oops. I can't. Prefix. Prefix service. Get prefix. I suppose it's no point. Return null. If get prefix is null. And then we can go here and go default prefix equals default prefix. And then just go default prefix. Please work. Now that should say raven.info.help. Yeah, it's connecting. Yay, we did it. Okay, so dev.info. Or did I stop it? No, I didn't. Okay. So that should be good. reworked how prefixes are handled. Come here. I can push that and go into this folder. I can go to RavenBOT. I can build Ubuntu. You can go to bin, release, netcore app, Ubuntu. There. Then go to the host, jump out of that folder, take the most recent files, which are those 4, chuck them back in here, overwrite them all, and then restart. RavenBOT help. This command filters out blah blah blah, and it shows all the commands, and it's like, whoa, you did such a good job. RavenBOT is a modular, multi-purpose Discord bot built with C#, and it's better than Joker's bot. The end. Okay, well, now I suppose I can actually build in some of the caching stuff into these bots. But, what do I want to do? I'm just trying to think of, like, raven.info.invite. Well, how's it going, Natus, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce that. Pretty sure I am just about done now. Like, unless I wanted to work on ELO, but that would require a million times more effort. Well, I think that's good enough for now. I've been, streaming for like almost 4 hours now. And yeah, I'm happy with the result. Raven is now public. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this stream. And peace out.